The Larson Electronics 15 KVA temporary power distribution system converts 480 volts AC to single-phase 120 volt AC at 60 Hz. This power distribution system provides operators the ability to safely tap into and distribute 480 volt AC power from a variety of sources, including generators and direct grid power. This portable substation is suitable for outdoor applications with a fully potted transformer and NEMA 3R load center. This unit is configured to transform 480 volt to 120 volt. Operators can connect up to 16 20 amp 120 volt devices on this unit. This entire system is built and certified to UL 1640 standards. The transformer and load center distribution assembly is mounted to a powder-coated steel dolly cart style frame, resulting in an extremely stable, durable, and mobile power distribution platform. Two run-flat rubber tires and a dolly cart style mounting platform provides easier substation mobility. A center point lift eye allows for easy lifting with cable or chain hooks. This temporary power distribution solution can be modified to meet the needs of job site receptacle requirements. Applications include construction sites, plant maintenance, plant turnarounds, shows, exhibits, and shipyard operations. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.